Hi everyone. Today we're going to study logical operations, namely negation, conjunction, and disjunction. Let's begin with negation operation. Let P be a proposition. We define the negation of P as it is not the case that P. The operation is denoted by minus P and read as not P. The truth value of not P is the opposite of the truth value of P. Therefore, the truth table of the negation operation will be as follows. Here we have two columns. The first column for P, the second column for not P. Considering the first row here, when P is true, not P is false. Second row, when P is false, not P is true. Let's see this example. We have a proposition P. The sun rises in the west. And we know that the truth value of P here is false. So for not P, we will write, it is not the case that the sun rises in the west. Since our P here is false, the not P is now true. When we write not P, we can also write like this. The sun does not rise in the west. Let's have now conjunction operation. Let P and Q be two propositions. We define the conjunction of P and Q denoted by P and Q. We use the symbol inverted V to denote the word and. So this is the proposition P and Q. The table below represents the truth table of the conjunction operation. We have here three columns. The first column for truth values of P, second column for truth values of Q, third column the truth values for P and Q. Let us now consider the first row here. When P is true and Q is true, then P and Q is true. Second line, when P is true and Q is false. So we say P and Q is false. When P is false and Q is true, P and Q is false. When P is false and Q is false, then P and Q is false. The conjunction proposition is always false, except when the truth value for both of P and Q is true. Let's have one example here. Proposition P, it is rainy today. Proposition Q, today is a holiday. When we combine the two propositions here, P and Q, so we write, it is rainy today and today is a holiday. Let's have disjunction operation. Let P and Q be two propositions. we define the disjunction of P and Q, denoted by P or Q. The symbol V here is read as OR. So this is the proposition P or Q. The table below represents the truth table of the disjunction operation. Let us consider now the first line. When P is true and Q is true, then P or Q is true. Second, when P is true while Q is false, P or Q is true. When P is false and Q is true, P or Q is true. When P is false while Q is false, then P or Q is false. The disjunction proposition is always true, except when the truth value for both of P and Q is false. Let's have one example. Proposition P, he is walking. Proposition Q, he is talking. When we put together the two propositions, P or Q, so we write here, he is walking or he is talking. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.